So excited. Ah. Hey you guys, the Doc is Hope here and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and having a great week so far. So today I'm coming to you guys to share with you my sewing plans for the week. I'm so excited about this pattern. It's been in my stash for a little while. I shared it with you guys a little while ago and I have the perfect fabric to make it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Hit that subscribe button down below so we can continue to hang out together and you guys can continue to catch these fun videos once a week. All right, guys, so without further ado, let's get into the sewing plan. All right, y'all, so this pattern I shared with you guys a little while ago. It's MCCALL'S 8119, which is this super cute jumpsuit or pantsuit, whatever you want to call it. I am sewing up view C here, which I absolutely love, with the sleeves, how they're a little ruched at the bottom, this beautiful belt, and the pants. So I have not started constructing this garment yet, but the things that I've had to do as far as alterations go, let me tell you. And that's not to say that this is a bad pattern. It's just that I'm tall. For those of you who don't know, I'm 5'9". So a lot of pants that I buy are too short. Some of the pants that I sew are too short. So I end up having to make alterations. So I don't know if you guys can see how even on the model, they're kind of right at her ankle. I like my pants to be a little bit longer than that, especially for this type of pantsuit. So I took some advice. I know you guys have been like, don't cut into your fabric until you sew up a muslin and see how it fits and make alterations. Okay, so that's what I did this time. I sewed up a muslin of the bottom part of this jumpsuit to see how it was going to fit as far as length and as far as the hips and the butt area. Last time I sewed up pants, they were too small, if you remember. So this time I was like, nope, I am not cutting into my tweed fabric until I know that these pants are actually going to fit me, okay? So let me show you guys what I did. This is my muslin sample. Let's see, this is the front of the pants part. You see they're a little long. This is the back where the zipper will be installed on the actual garment. So sew that up, did the darts on the front, actually no, pleats on the front, darts on the back, and sewed them together just like you do regular pants, and found out that they were a little too short. Okay, so here's my muslin of the bottom of the pantsuit. I just wanted to make this to make sure that these pants were going to fit. I cut a size 14 and I think I might make a few adjustments. So let me show you the back. Okay. It's hard to do that, isn't it? So, oh, that's really hard. I think I might lengthen these. Just because I think I want them to be a little bit longer. I haven't even hemmed them yet, and I think they're going to be a little too short for my liking. I think the fit is actually pretty good on these. Only thing is in the back, they are a little tight. So I think I'll either cut my fabric just a little wider, or I will change my seam allowance on the side to 3/8 of an inch. But yeah, they're a little tight. So I think I'll make those adjustments and then we'll be ready to go. So I ended up adding a whole 4.5 inches of length onto these pants because at the end of the day, I can trim them at the bottom and I can hem them to be a little bit shorter if they're not if they're too long, but I cannot make them longer once I cut them. So 4.5 inches I've added to the pants. I also added a little more onto the side seams, just because they were a little bit tight. They were cutting up the butt a little bit, and nobody likes that, pants in your butt. So I did add a little bit on both sides of the side seams of the pants, which in turn, since it is a jumpsuit, I had to add a little bit onto the side seams of the bodice as well, which in turn, doing that, I had to add a little bit onto the armholes, because once you add to one part, you got to alter the other, and so on and so forth. So let me show you what I have so far. I've cut everything out. I'm so excited about my fabric. I'm so excited again about this pattern. And if it comes together like I think it will, it's gonna be gorgeous. So let me show you what I've got. All right, you guys. So in no particular order, I'm gonna show you the pattern pieces that I've cut out so far. So here is piece 9, which is my tab. Oh, here's my fabric. Ooh, you guys remember this? I shared this with you in a previous fall fabric haul. This is what I got from Fine Fabrics here in Atlanta. So here is that fabric, that really nice tweed, black, gray, and silver fabric, which I absolutely love. So there's my tab, piece 9. I have the piece 7, which is my back neck facing. I have piece number 6, which is my front neck facing. I have my bodice back, which is, you see I added on, there you go. There's my alterations. Bodice back, this was cut too. And then, let's see, I have my bodice front, more alterations, and I have cut one on the fold here, which, look at that, it's like a herringbone pattern. I'm so excited about this, y'all. Okay, so then I have piece number 3, which is my pants front, and you guys can see how long these pants are going to be. So here's where I added length. Of course, on my lengthen and shorten line, 4.5 inches of length. So these pants are going to be nice and long. And then on the side, here's where I added on a little bit of extra for my side seams on those pants that were a little too tight. This fabric doesn't have any give, so I decided to just go for it at the beginning. All right, guys, so next I have my my pocket pieces, piece 5 here, cut out. I also have my sleeve, piece 8 here, cut out. Like I said, I had to alter the sleeve as well. And then this is going to be my belt. You all saw that nice belt. This is piece 10, which is my belt, cut 2. That's gonna be gorgeous. And then finally, the pants back, piece number 4. So again, added some on the side here, and my 4.5 inches of length on the pants. So those are all of my pieces cut out, you guys. I'm going to be using, good old regular black thread. And for my notions, you guys, I'm so excited. I found, so excited. Okay, so, regular standard black zipper that's gonna go down the back of that jumpsuit. And then this is what I absolutely love. I found this belt buckle. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. This belt buckle, one prong belt buckle that I just think is going to be absolutely gorgeous when it goes with, let me get a smaller piece, the belt. Look at that. Ooh, it's like a, what is that? Like a pewter nickel. And I just think that's gonna look so, so, so good on that belt, guys, when I put that on there. So excited to make up this jumpsuit. I haven't made a jumpsuit in a little while. And this one is like really gonna be nice and thick because we're still in winter. We're headed into spring, but we're not quite there yet. So I'm hoping to get at least a couple wears out of that jumpsuit. But yeah, I can't wait to share it with you guys and to show you how it turns out. I will be sewing away. In total, this pattern has 42 steps. I don't think it should take forever because one, they're saying that it is easy. See there? You can see the line drawings too if you're interested. I just marked my alterations there. And all of these steps aren't for my jumpsuit. Some of them are view A and B, so I'll skip over those. But yeah, I'm so excited to make that up, and hopefully it turns out as good as I think it will. So excited. All right, you guys. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this video. As always, I enjoyed making it for you. Hopefully you enjoy the rest of your week. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscription button so we can continue to hang out together and you guys can continue to catch these fun videos. All right, guys. Well, until next week, I will see you later.